So we have finished our Ross round harvesting, and we've got them all inside their cases, and they look very lovely inside there. Our next step is to put this whole pan of Ross rounds in the freezer for about 48 hours. The purpose in doing that is to make sure there aren't any little bugs of any type that can eat the wax, wax moths being the most common. So after the 48 hours, they'll come back out. We'll allow them to thaw completely. We will clean the cases one more time, and we will band them with a sticker that goes around the outside. So, pros and cons. Pros, this is a very easy harvest. It makes a beautiful cone that people like and like to eat. And it's just a lot of fun. The negative side is it takes more energy for the bees to produce it. They have to produce the wax, then fill it with honey, then cap it. As compared to doing extracted honey, where we actually extract the honey and put the wax and the pulled comb back in the hive, and they don't have to re-pull that wax again. So it takes more for the bees to produce this. You need a really, really nice, strong colony for them to actually fill them out. It's really nice for the hobbyist beekeeper who may not have a lot of extraction equipment and does not want to invest in that equipment, and this allows them to harvest honey easily without having to buy all that, and have a nice product that they can sell at their local store or local fair and get a little return on their beekeeping.